Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best VPNs for Call of Duty Warzone, specifically if you're trying to use a VPN for bot lobbies. I'll cover all the things you'll need to know about accessing bot lobbies without any hassle while using a VPN. If you're searching for a VPN with features that will enhance your gaming experience, then this video is for you. Playing Call of Duty Warzone against people with similar skills and kill-death ratios can be fun and challenging. Winning against a skilled player and earning a victory for your team is very satisfying. However, constantly being paired with players of the same level, known as skill-based matchmaking, can become exhausting. That's where bot lobbies come into play. Bot lobbies allow you to have matches in which most of the players are bots or significantly less skilled players. These matches are often easier than regular games because bots and low-skilled players do not perform as well as average or highly skilled human players. Maybe you're looking to play bot lobbies for multiple reasons. One reason could be that playing against bots or less skilled players can lead to easier wins and higher kill counts. Another could be that you just want to practice your skills. Sometimes you just want to relax, shoot some easy targets, and unwind at the end of the day without the stress of a highly competitive match. You can also use bot lobbies to try out new strategies or test different combat setups without the pressure of a difficult match. However, the best way to take advantage of bot lobbies is by leveling up. Completing challenges more easily will quickly level up your character, weapons, or battle pass. Unfortunately, the game doesn't let you enter bot lobbies, except in training matches. This means you can't avoid playing against people of similar skill levels on your own. However, there is a solution. A VPN or virtual private network can help you get around Warzone's skill-based matchmaking system. This means you can end up in lobbies with less skilled players, making the game easier and more relaxing. Choosing a VPN can be overwhelming because there are so many options available. You might feel pressure to figure out which is the best for your needs. However, I've done the hard work for you. I've tested more than 20 different VPNs and have narrowed it down to the 3 best overall choices. These top 3 VPNs offer a range of budgets and features, so you can select the one that fits your gaming needs. You've got ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. They all work incredibly well with gaming in general. First, let's talk about ExpressVPN and why it's a great choice, especially for gamers. ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers spread across 105 countries. This means you can connect to a wide variety of servers all around the world, ensuring you get a fast and reliable connection no matter where you are. With one subscription, you can secure up to 8 devices at the same time, which is perfect if you have multiple devices at home or want to share the service with family members. Another important feature is split tunneling. This allows you to choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones use your regular internet connection. This can be very useful if you want to secure some of your activities but don't want to slow down others. ExpressVPN also supports multiple protocols, which are different methods of connecting to the VPN. For gaming or downloading, the lightweight UDP protocol is recommended because it offers the best combination of speed and security. This is important for gamers who need a fast and stable connection to avoid lag and enjoy a smooth gaming experience. Next, let's take a look at NordVPN and why it's an excellent choice. NordVPN offers a huge network of over 6,100 servers in 83 countries. This large server network ensures that you can always find a fast and reliable connection anywhere in the world. Having such a large number of servers also helps to avoid overcrowding, which can slow down your connection. NordVPN comes with a lot of bonus features and specialty servers designed to improve your gameplay. NordVPN also makes it easy to change your DNS settings with custom DNS. Customizing your DNS settings for gaming can enhance your online gaming experience by improving speed, reducing lag, and ensuring a more stable connection. It provides an additional layer of security and flexibility. For the best performance, NordVPN offers the NordLynx protocol, which is built around the WireGuard technology. NordLynx is known for its speed and security, making NordVPN one of the fastest VPNs available. NordVPN allows you to secure up to 10 devices with a single subscription. NordVPN stands out for its value for money. It offers high performance and top-notch security at a lower cost than other premium VPNs like ExpressVPN. This makes NordVPN a better option if you're looking for an affordable solution without compromising quality. However, it's worth noting that NordVPN might face challenges in countries with heavy internet censorship, such as China. While it offers strong security features, its effectiveness can sometimes be limited in this country due to strict government controls. Finally, Surfshark stands out as the top budget-friendly VPN option. This is the cheapest option out of the three, offering a reliable solution at an affordable price without compromising important security features. Surfshark offers WireGuard protocol, which is recommended for its superior speed and performance. WireGuard ensures speeds, resulting in a smoother gaming experience. Surfshark also includes a built-in speed tester tool, which allows you to check the performance of different VPN servers and select the fastest ones for gaming. By choosing servers with low delays and high speeds, you can reduce lag and enjoy smoother gameplay even during peak gaming hours. These are the best VPNs for Warzone if you're trying to get bot lobbies. Here are my tips to make the most out of your experience. The first tip is to play early in the day when there are fewer players. Next, research locations with lower skilled players. Also, disable crossplay if you're on a console. Lastly, play with a full party, including players with a low kill death count for easier lobbies. If you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description below. And it's for free. If you're not satisfied with any of these VPNs, you can easily get a refund through the 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out risk-free. If you want to know more about the VPNs mentioned in this video, you can also find links to in-depth reviews for each, as well as tutorials to learn more about their privacy policies, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, and security features. I hope this video helped you determine which VPN is best for gaming needs. From my personal experience, I highly recommend giving it a try, and I'm positive that you'll find it helpful as well. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and that's it. Have a fantastic day.